All right, so welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. So DPM made a press release, and she detailed some of the things that many of us know. Some you may not know that, but she called out names, or people that are actually people that volunteer themselves to work as an agent to the Nigerian government against Biafra freedom. And that press release, of course, like I said, is explain few things that some of us don't know. Some may know that, but we are going to go through that. Please do me a favor, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and like this video, share it on any platform of your choice. Sometimes it is good to understand what you want. Some of our people believe that sabotaging is the way. Yeah, some believe that as long as I'm not in the helm of affair, let us destroy everything. Life is not like that. I'm not going to waste much time in this video, but I want us to learn something here. So watch the post that DPM made. Let's touchlight it a little bit so that you yourself can have an idea of what she's trying to say. Press release May 1st, which is today. The Nigerian President Tinubu and Southeast and South-South legitimized governors continue to use these listed evil individuals in Biafran territory to forcefully remove and buy innocent Biafrans. Okay? Kidnapping them, forcefully remove them, and buying innocent Biafrans. Chibuzo Egwato, aka Ikenga Uruago, pictured publicly confirmed that he kidnapped a Biafran lady that worked at Tommy on the order of Christopher Musa and Tinubu. Lady still missing. No arrest of Chibuzo Egwato yet. Ben Oha Ejiro. These are names of people. Ben Oha Ejiro, Spider Team, and Caterpillar. These are people that are working alongside with the Kengurago, according to this press release from DPM. She mentioned Chibuzo Egwato. Chibuzo Egwato has not been arrested after publicly accepted that they kidnapped, and in name of their, he called their group of Spider. He said again, Ben Oha Ejiro, Spider Team, okay, that is where he belongs. Spider Team again. Is okay. Benjamin is a Spider Team. Caterpillar, the Caterpillar that just that pretend to be with the US government and all that. Many of you know Caterpillar. Temple. I think this Temple, is it Temple or Sapele? I don't know. Temple. Many people are asking Temple. Okay, Sapele is different. Yeah, Temple, AK, the man. That is what he's known for. Is the man. Sapele and Udele, that is Chibuzo Egwato, etc. So many of them, including Jovika. Okay, Christopher Musa and Tinubu uses these individuals to do exactly what Leti Fayoba from Nnewi did: stop the freedom of the Biafran people through intimidation, killings, and forcefully removal. These individuals are daily committing these crimes against Biafran people in collaboration with the Nigerian Army and Police and their Special Task Force. The world recently witnessed how Tinubu uses this Special Task Force to publicly execute a Biafran man whose arms were tied. This is what the publicity. This is what the public. This is what Nigerian government and the politicians and agents do daily, recently and publicly execute, forcefully remove, intimidate, and suppress, oppressed, and kill innocent Biafrans citizens using AK-47 and bullets. Thousands of innocent Biafrans have been killed, and many languishing in different jails across Nigeria and Biafran territory. This is not acceptable. Biafrans have rejected Nigeria. The dissolution of Nigeria is the only solution to make people live. The use of guns and bullets by Nigerian states and delegitimized governors in Southeast and South part of the old Nigeria to silence freedom fighters and Christians in Nigeria is well documented and on record. This cannot continue. The inhuman treatment of innocent Biafrans at Tiger Base, Owerri, by Nigerian politicians using the Special Task Force is on record by several world bodies. Amnesty International, for example. This is unacceptable. The United States of Biafra is a sovereign nation declared on November 29th, 2024 in Latin and Nigeria, including these listed Biafran agents, are currently occupying a sovereign nation. Nigerian President Tinubu and Christopher Musa have been notified of this independence of the Biafran people. Rather than call for a peaceful separation meeting, Tinubu and Southeast and South politicians resort to violence, forcefully removal and killings of our people. We will defend our people. The power and declaration of the people is supreme and should be respected. There are 40 states in Biafran territory, and the USB government will continue to protect its people and territory from the terrorist and evil state of Nigeria. Nothing in Nigeria is welcome. Nothing in Nigeria is welcomed in Biafran territory. Nigeria must go. Calling on our allies to facilitate the recognition of the United States of Biafra nation to succumb the killing by the Nigerian state, DPM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. So this post, the part that actually made me to even react on this, mostly, is mentioning how she detailed people that are working as an agent. You do know that some of our Biafrans today, some people don't believe that Biafrans are the one working against themselves. Simply because you are not in power, you are not one of the leaders, therefore you think you can do anyhow, act anyhow, just do whatever you want and nobody will question you. Some see it as an opportunity to, a kind of business venture to just make money, enrich yourself, nothing to worry about, everything is already, out there for you to take. Just go and grab it and run with it. They are doing it as if nobody can do anything. Why? Because our people supported it to be like that. Our people made it so. Our people don't want to learn. Some of us actually still thinking like children. You cannot eat your cake and have it. The moment you begin to pretend that you know everything, that you can see everything, you are gone. Look at Chibueze Egwat, a man that devoted his time talking about Biafra. Some people even joined the movement thinking that people like him, can represent. Little to do, that he's talking about Biafra just to create awareness for him to be noticed. That's why he later said, I have this ambition, political ambition. I want to be a politician. If Ayoba was hugging and dining with him, trying to groom him to become another hitman and all that. Today, he's acting on his own, at his own capacity. The same thing applicable to Dele. You see, the young man they died in Delta State that have been threatened, even people who don't believe in anything freedom, posted it and condemned it. Go to the platform. He's not talking about it. Instead, he's talking about Tafawa Balewa appearing in an open market in 60s or 50s. And he was able to take picture with market women that he's so down to earth. This guy promotes everything that has to do with the Northerners. I said everything. He will devote his time to promote it and see pictures of them and begin to joke, insult people from our own land. Why must it be like that? Why? Anyway, I will I will let you just tell me what you think about it. Everything going on today, DPM actually know, like she said, she knows a lot, that she knows a lot. Truly, she do. She do. And I'm happy that confession are still, coming from left, right, and center. And more will come. It's a matter of time. At the end of the day, truth will stand. There's nothing you can do about it. That's what it is. Anyway, please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna keep it simple. Please share this video. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Take care.